All right, what you fix to make Eddie? This is Eddie's time.
Well, it's
because it's a beverage, but y'all, there's no alcohol in it.
But I believe if you wanted to add some, you could. Because this is a strawberry fizz
gin, or
I think gin would be perfect, or vodka.
Vodka.
Yeah,
I couldn't think of vodka.
Yeah, I think you could actually mix it up whichever way you want.
Okay.
I mean, we've got some strawberries, we've got some soda water.
Yeah.
We're going to start with just dissolving some sugar and
2 tablespoons.
And a tablespoon of water.
Of hot water.
Making a
hot,
simple syrup.
Yes. Do you need the little rubber?
Nah, that's
dealy thing. You got 4 whole strawberries.
Yes.
And you've got ice, and you've got a 16-ounce bottle of soda water.
I love anything any type of drink that you have to muddle.
Yes.
It's just
doesn't that sound good?
It's fun and it sounds good.
I'm gonna muddle this and make me what do you drink at the horse races?
A bourbon.
No, a mint julep.
Mint julep, yeah.
Don't forget to add some mint in there, Eddie, for the muddling. This is almost like a strawberry mint julep without the rum.
You want something else to muddle it with?
Well,
because you know what I got?
What?
You remember that thing Aunt Peggy? Didn't Aunt Peggy give me this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now that would muddle. That'd muddle anything.
Yes.
Ooh.
I don't want to break the glass, but.
Yeah. I think that'll work good because the strawberries are they're certainly not overripe.
Perfect.
All right, I'm going to leave you alone, baby.
Well, you got to come and have a.
Oh, I'll have a sip with you.
Come cheers me.
Yes. Yes, I will.
I'm not really familiar with an Easter drink. What would really
you drink
be?
at Easter?
I mean, this is a pretty good, refreshing looking drink.
I could see you also adding champagne to this.
Champagne, yeah.
Yes.
To make a champagne cocktail.
A lot of people would probably have lamb for Easter, right?
Yeah, I would.
We have ham.
We always had pork too. Always had ham.
Now, Teresa, where did this drink come from?
It came from our website.
Just from our website?
Yes, sir.
I can seem like I basically recall doing it like years ago.
I mean,
it looks so good. Now all we need is some pound cake diced up in there.
Yeah.
And it'll be perfect.
A pound cake? No. I don't know about that. Now, should we strain this, or are we going straight in with
We're going straight in with the strawberries. I like the chunks because I think, it's pretty and I like the bite.
Yes.
So I think you've muddled
I
well.
wouldn't want it like pureed.
Okay, and then you got me.
Yes, I got you.
I haven't heard what are you cooking for Easter this year?
Did you muddle the mint? What I'm cooking for Easter this year?
Yeah.
Oh, Eddie, I don't remember. I mean, I hadn't given a lot of thought.
Well, I'm trying to think if this is going to go. If we need to have this up on the counter.
Yeah. I mean, even the kids would like this.
I was going to say, these look like fancy Shirley Temples. Put Sprite in it instead of the club soda, and they would be in hog heaven.
Yes.
Don't let any go to waste, Eddie.
It's running from you.
It's got a lip in there. And
see, that's why I'm so often have to use my hands, because that would drive me crazy leaving that piece of mint in there.
Ooh,
And he is not getting away from me.
Got it?
I got it. Oh, that looks delicious, Eddie.
It's pretty.
This is beautiful. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, all right. To big ships, to little ships, to shrimp boat ships. What other kind of ships are they? But the most important ship of all is friendship.
Friendships. I wasn't sure where you were going with that, but
Well, there's many
That's
more.
good.
I mean, Michael can name every 100 ships before he gets to the friend.
yeah, that is great. Very refreshing. Happy
It is.
Easter.
Very thirst quenching. Happy Easter, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.